Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh. You look cute.
Why do we both do that? It's crazy.
I don't know. I think it's just a girl thing to do. Just be like. Imagine if you fell down the stairs. And then Damo found out the stairs behind you.
Yeah,
and
I can totally see that happening.
Right in your ass. Alright, you guys, we decided to come down and hang out in the jacuzzi, but we also want to answer your guys' little spicy questions.
Y'all are weird.
You guys are very weird, I'm not gonna lie to you. I honestly wish you guys were a little weirder, but it's totally fine.
Really?
But yeah, I feel like the weirder the better because it doesn't give us more juicy things to answer, so.
Yeah.
But the first one is eggplant size preference.
Well, if I'm making eggplant parmesan, then I like a really big one because like it makes it taste better, but if we're talking about
Eggplant.
you go first.
I think, like, if I use my hands, I'd probably say, like here's good, I think. That's pretty good, decent size.
Huge.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, like, that's pretty good. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
What's your weird kink? Like something that you, I don't know, like something that you like to do or something that you'd want to try?
I like.
Oh yeah, a little aggression. Yeah, that's nice.
Or like.
Oh yeah. That's exactly what I was gonna say. That's my favorite too. I like from the front, like from the back this way.
Either's
Like
good.
when they grab you too. That's nice too. Wait, what? No.
I said you guys are weird.
I've never. Okay, do you like your toes being sucked? No, you don't like it? Really? Why?
I just feel like feet are like dirty, you know? Like it's not like I don't wash my feet, but it's like, I mean, I know it's not going into my mouth, but still, it's almost like kind of like.
You know what? Personally, I would be down to try it because my feet are soft as f. Let me show you guys a little quick peek of my feet. Watch. They're like so
You're gonna
soft.
do that for free?
Bro, they're so soft, like a baby's butt.
No, but fingers or hands, that's cool.
Bro, hands are dirtier than feet.
No way, you walk on your feet.
I know, but like your feet are covered all times. At least mine are.
No.
Okay. Have you spanked Valentine and did she ask for more?
No, I don't
You
think
can tell them the truth, it's okay.
No. But if she wanted me to, I would.
I wouldn't be opposed to it. I saw the way you were wailing on Damo's butt.
Yeah. You know, I would if she asked.
Have you French kissed? Yeah, I French kissed before.
Me too.
Now, if you mean have we French kissed each other? No, we haven't.
But there's always like a first time for everything.
Right. We're not closing that door completely yet. We still talk about it every now and then.
Yeah. It's like on the table, but just not yet.
What zodiac signs are best in bed, and don't be biased based on your current partner.
See, I'm not into zodiac signs, so I don't know. Whatever you have to say.
I don't want to say any zodiac signs either because I feel like if I did, maybe a person that I've spoken to might assume that that's who they are. So.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
Like, let's say I said like, because you know, you gotta have done it with just more than just the one person you're with now, you know. So
Yeah.
it's like, it's
Oh,
not like
it's not that
It's not
zodiac
like I've
sign.
dated like hella like of one sign before, you know. It's like
Yeah.
probably a few signs or whatever, but it's like fact that there's one, I don't want to say, oh, this one's better because then like, you know, we're not doing that. Because you're saying not to base it based on your current partner. But obviously if you didn't say that, then I would say my current partner.
Yeah.
What does your boyfriend do that makes you guys the most turned on?
I don't know. I just say like manliness. Just being
Like what's a manly thing?
I don't know.
Does he start just like fixing the door before he lays in bed, or he starts fixing that old cabinet that you can watch?
No, I don't even know. Like, I guess just who he is. I don't know.
He just has like a manly essence of himself.
Yeah, and like
he embodies the manly thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel that. Okay.
You're good.
No, I think that's it on these ones.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna actually check on here real quick.
Here, B.
All right, you guys, we have one final question. Damn, I don't even know what the fuck to ask now. I should have thought about it before. It's alright. It's a good gross question that some dude would ask. I know, just ask me about Okay, last question. Do you guys do it in the donut hole?
The what?
In your donut hole.
What?
Yeah, in your donut hole. In your do not hole.
Do not enter hole.
Right.
No.
You guys don't? Have you guys ever?
Once.
Ugh. That first
did
time,
not
bro.
like it.
That first initial time, it just...
It's very like...
It hurts.
Yeah.
It's very like you want to clench your ass cheeks, bro.
It just feels wrong. It doesn't feel right.
And that's how hemorrhoids are created. Alright, well, us, maybe like once or twice.
Yeah.
And then like, try it.
Yeah.
But, you guys are gross. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.